Hello friends, welcome to my channel SVK Arts, and today I am going to show you how to paint acrylic painting on canvas. Today I got a commission portrait order and there is a twist in that. So let's find out that twist. You will definitely learn something from this video. So watch till the end, it helps you to improve your art skill. So this is the old pic we got and we have to convert this in the color portrait. So let's do it. Make a grid on the canvas so it will easy to make a proper portrait shape. First of all, we are going to paint the yellow color as the base color of this painting, and after that we add two more colors. First is yellow ochre and brown color in the background. See, the base colors are very important because when we apply the main colors, those colors stand out very beautifully. After finishing the base color, we are going to outline the portrait by brown color. You see, I do the outline with the brown color. Because of the base color, we couldn't see the pencil line clearly. The brown outline allows us to paint the picture better and easy way. Now we are going to work layer by layer. Look into this picture, that woman's skin tone looks fair. Skin tone is divided into three parts such as shadow, mid-tone and highlights. First we paint the shadow part, means the darker portion of the skin. Then we paint a mid-tone portion. Mid-tone means the lighter than shadow part. And lastly we paint the highlight portion, which is most brighter part of the skin. This is an old pic, so I have decided to give a green color to this sari and make a zari border. Then the Maharashtrian traditional looks will come. I simply apply a black color for hair. And now use a grey color to cover the highlight area of the hair. In this picture, the flower is not clearly visible, so I will give a light pink color in the flower. Shadow, mid-tone and highlight formula has applied in every object. According to that, I use crimson color for shadow and white color for highlight area. Now I am going to apply a second layer. I will make some more detailing work in a face portion such as eyes, nose, mouth and the neck portion. While coloring in a zari card, I used pearl gold color and added little bit ochre yellow color into that. Now let us turn to the background of this portrait. I have chosen the color that match with this portrait. These includes lemon yellow, ochre yellow, orange and brown color. I am making this background with the help of palette knife. Just remember one formula while coloring the background. Apply the color bright to dark. According to that, I am coloring the right side background by bright colors and left side background with the dark colors. The eyes are very important part of the portrait. 80 to 90% of attraction of the portrait comes from the eyes. So keep some patience and make it calmly. We will color the lips according to the light and dark part. Again I am coming back to the zari portion. By using the pearl gold color and green color, I will make the zari design according to my way. Let's paint the black beads and the gold part in the Mangal Sutra. Let's check the whole painting again after all coloring is done and make sure there is no detailing left behind. And here is our painting is completed. I hope you have watched the full video. If you are a beginner, then try it on the small canvas. Just follow the shadow, midtone and highlight formula. You will definitely make a good portrait. You can follow SVK Arts on Facebook and Instagram, and that link I have given in the description below. As well as you can place your portrait order. That's why I have given my contact number in the description. Just check it out. Thanks for watching. I'm coming back with a new video very soon. Till then, goodbye.